If you are considering this course, you may be asking yourself a number of questions. Here are some frequently asked questions. 1. Is this course for beginners? Yes, this course does not expect anyone to know anything about mindfulness. Everything is introduced and explained as you go through the course. 2. Is this course for everyone? Yes, you do not need to feel stressed in order to benefit from the course. Indeed, it is especially useful to do this course when you are not stressed, because you would be developing skills that you can use when things do get tough. Mindfulness also helps anyone to enjoy a more wakeful and happier life. 3. What do I have to do on this course? You will need to complete a number of online sessions, some lasting up to 30 minutes each. You will also be encouraged to practice mindfulness during your daily life. 4. How long does this course take? In order to gain maximum benefits from this course, we suggest you complete one module per week over 4 weeks. However, you can take much longer if you prefer. There is no time limit for completion. 5. Is this course religious? No, this course does not contain anything of a religious nature. You will not be asked to accept anything except what you experience for yourself. Thanks for joining me on this course introduction. When you are ready, you can go through a stress assessment in the next session, before you start on the first module of the course. If you prefer to take a break now, just come back at a time that suits you, and continue from here. If you proceed with this course, I wish you well and look forward to sharing your journey with you through the YouTube video comments. In the next session, if you wish, you can complete a stress assessment to establish your pre-course stress score. Click the next video box to go to the next video in this course. Click the View Playlist box to go to the playlist for all course videos. Click the Go Back box to go to the previous course video.